Finally, after so many years, na set aside na ng F4 ang kanilang mga creative differences, and there will be an Asian tour next year. So pagkatapos mag-ipon para sa SB19 simula at wakas, ang susunod naman na pag-iipunan ay ang F4. Although hindi pa nila in-announce if Manila is part of the concert, we are hoping na kasama sa Asian leg tour ang Pilipinas. It has been a while actually. Feeling ko, sadly, actually very bittersweet. The loss of Barbie Shoe or Sunshine in the industry has finally led them to realize that it is time to set aside yung mga creative differences nila at kung ano man yung mga hindi pagkakaintindihan nila. Very petty na yon. It is time to really go back and cherish one another, their friendship. Kasi feeling ko ang laki talaga ng naging impact din sa kanila ng pagkawala ni Sunshine. Because whether they like it or not, Meteor Garden is what has really catapulted them to fame. Lalong-lalo na si Jerry Yan and the rest of the group members. While each of them had been successful in their own right, producing their own albums, kagaya ni Vanessa Hu and ni Vic Chow, they were able to do a lot of projects after Meteor Garden, kahit si Jerry Yan, but never the level na inabot ng kasikatan ng Meteor Garden. So, I think malaking reason ng tour na to is that they realize that life is short. Time to set aside kung ano yung mga naging away at hindi pagkakaintindihan, no? This will be their 25th anniversary in the industry. Ito yung long-awaited reunion nila. And although hindi pa nilabas yung mga concert tour schedules, it is said sa mga Chinese international papers, kagaya ng Straits Times, na mauuna yung mga countries like South Korea and Japan. So for sure, merong South Korea and Japan sa tour leg nila. And we are also praying that kasama ang Pilipinas, of course, dito sa most awaited reunion concert ng mga to. In fairness to all of the guys, they still look very, very amazing. So, si Vanessa Hu is also very active on TikTok. At marami siyang mga projects. And he has remained in touch with his Filipino fans. The same time, si Vic Chow naman is happily married and has also done a lot of film projects and movies. And hindi talaga sila tumatanda. While si Ken did some soul searching. I think at one point, naging Buddhist monk siya. So, after this long soul searching talaga, he was able to realize a lot of things and became grateful for his life. So, marami siyang mga pinagdaanan. While Jerry Yan has continued to release one series after another. Pero, I think like the group M2M, they will soon realize that yung F4 time nila and their legacy as Meteor Garden has created really the most impact. At ang dami talaga nag-aantay nito na mangyari. And it will be really a bittersweet but tour. Nakakalungkot kasi of course wala na si Barbie Shoe, but I'm also hoping that this will also be their tribute to her, and not just that, their way to reconnect with each other. Kasi ang most important thing naman talaga sa life is yung journey. And ayan, abang-abang, mag-antay na tayo ng announcement kung saan talaga mauuna at magkano yung mga magiging tickets nga nito.